my most amazing artists. My name is Charity, and I'm gonna be your art teacher for today. So without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so today we're gonna learn how to draw a butterfly. So I'm gonna show you the colors that we're going to use. These are the primary colors. I have here yellow, blue, orange, green, red, and purple. To draw a butterfly, we want to start with his head and his body, right? So I'm going to start using my green color. There you go. So we're going to start with a circle for his head, and we're going to make an oval shape for his body. So from there down, from the top going down, and then from the top going down. There you go. So that's an oval shape, right? To add his wings, we're gonna go way out to the side, about halfway of his body, and then you're just gonna do the same way on the other side. And now we're gonna add another wings. We're just gonna make a long heart shape, and then we're just gonna do it on the other side. There you go. Okay, so for my second color, I'm gonna use the red one. Now we're gonna add some pattern, so we're gonna add stripes on his body, and we're gonna put lots of rooms so that later on we're just gonna color it. Okay, I'm going to use the same color, which is red. Now on top of his head, we're gonna add some details. So we're gonna add antenna on top of his head, then draw two small circles on top of it. Alright, so you can see those two small circles, right? Alright, so we're going to use purple. We're gonna make two small circles for his eyes, and then we're gonna make a curved line for his mouth. See that? Then on the wings, we're gonna put some patterns. You're gonna put whatever kind of pattern you want, but for me, I'm just gonna put some teardrop shape or oval shape on both wings. Look at those teardrops shape. I like it. So I think I'm gonna decide to add some circle patterns on each wings. Then later on, if you do the same pattern as me, then you're just gonna color it with different colors, okay? Or you can just color whatever colors that you want. So here's my circle, another circle, another circle, another circle. I'm just putting lots of small circles all around the butterfly. Voila, we're done! Okay, so this is the antenna. And then this is the head. And then this is the body. And then we made stripe patterns on his body, right? So there you go. Almost finished. So we're not finished yet. We're gonna write our name using these colors. Okay? So I will write my name below the butterfly. Alright, so for you, you have to write your name in there, okay? I'm gonna write letter C, Letter H. Letter A. Letter R. Letter I. Letter T. And lastly, letter Y. That's my name. So for your name, you can ask your mommy and then you can write it below the butterfly. Alright, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again on my next class. Goodbye.